Bluehost Review 2020 Best Overall Web Host. Free domain name plus hosting plus email, from $2.95 per month. We continuously test and monitor web hosts thoroughly to give you in-depth information about the best hosts on the market. In this Bluehost review you will see that they continue to score highly in our tests on uptime, affordability and remains a market leader in the hosting space. It's an all-around great web host that boasts incredible uptime levels, responsive and helpful customer support, along with excellent loading speeds. If you're a small business owner, or are building your very first blog or website, then check out Bluehost today. Latest deal. You can get Bluehost's high-quality choice plus hosting plan for special price of just $5.45 per month, normally $14.99 per month to 36 months sign-up plus a free domain name worth $15, free for the first year. A free domain name fast, high-quality and reliable web hosting free site builder one-click WordPress install and 24/7 support. Disclosure: when you purchase web hosting from Bluehost through links on this page, we earn some commission. This helps us to keep this site running. There are no extra costs to you at all by using our links. The importance of a quality host like Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the most commonly used web hosts out there today. A lot of hosting companies are a dime a dozen. What you need is a hosting provider that places a focus on reliability, uptime, performance, and is equipped with the necessary features to help you build and grow your site. Bluehost is a company that's been in high demand since their inception over 15 years ago. They've been effectively serving customers across the globe by providing an affordable, reliable, and high-performing service. Your choice of web host will influence your site more than you think. Your hosting company will act as the foundation for the rest of your site. Choose a quality hosting provider and you'll end up with a high-performing, secure site that's online when you need it the most. History and background of Bluehost. Bluehost began back in 1996 as a free hosting company called OCatch.com, founded by Matt Heaton. In 2003 they were renamed Bluehost and has since grown into the company you know today. Since their inception, they've grown to a staff of over 750 employees. They currently host over 2 million websites all over the world. For over 10 years Bluehost has been in partnership with WordPress, maintaining a full-time staff dedicated to providing WordPress support, along with an engineering team dedicated to WordPress core development. This understanding has allowed Bluehost to craft affordable and high-performing WordPress hosting. Bluehost also has a staunch commitment to the open-source community. From their servers to internal tools and scripts, they're all built on the back of open-source software. Features and advantages of Bluehost. Bluehost has a lot going for it. It's not the perfect host for every kind of website owner. But the fact that they currently host over 2 million websites, and have been in business for 15 years says that they're doing something right. Here are some of the biggest advantages that hosting with Bluehost can offer your new website. Bluehost uptime. 99.99%. Bluehost has very impressive and consistent uptime levels. Bluehost support 10 out of 10 for support and assistance. Always very helpful and quick. Get in contact with them. Bluehost compatibility. WordPress hosting which has 100% compatibility with all WordPress features and plugins. 1. Incredible server uptime. Website uptime is incredibly important. Essentially, uptime is the proportion of time that your site is online. The industry standard uptime for hosting companies is around 99%, which might seem great. But not all hosts will actually end up adhering to this standard. We're happy to report that Bluehost does indeed offer very high website uptime. Average Bluehost uptime ends up hovering around 99.9%. And this is even for their lower-level shared hosting plans. You can expect plans like cloud hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers to be nearly 100%. Without a high uptime, you run the risk of losing revenue and providing a poor user experience across the board. After all, your users won't be able to access your site if it's offline. Luckily, with Bluehost, this will never be an issue. 2. Very fast server speeds. Bluehost isn't the fastest host on the block. But its loading speeds will be sufficient for most website owners. The speeds will also vary depending on the type of hosting you end up going with. For example, shared hosting will generally be the slowest hosting packages, but still, their speeds are competitive. While, going with plans like VPS or a dedicated will deliver even faster loading times, as you have greater server resources dedicated to your site. There are also bundled tools which can help to improve loading speeds even more, like Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a CDN, which will store additional copies of your site on a network of servers around the globe. That way whenever someone accesses your site they'll be served a version of your site from the closest physical server location. 3. Bundled daily backups. Backups are usually an overlooked aspect of running a website. Usually, it isn't something you even think about until it's too late. That's why having automated backups is such a blessing. Bluehost offers daily backups and website restorations on all of their hosting plans. Now, these backups do have their limits, so if you're serious about backing up your site, then you'll still want to upgrade or use third-party backup software. But, having basic backups included in every hosting plan is an incredible offer. If something goes wrong with your site, all you have to do is restore your site from a previous version, instead of having to recreate everything from scratch. 4. Very beginner-friendly. Even though the process of building a website or starting a blog is much simpler than it used to be, the process can still be a little confusing for beginners. There are a lot of steps involved in getting your site online, from securing and setting up your hosting, to choosing a domain name, to finally building out your website. One great thing about Bluehost is that they have a customer onboarding experience that's completely oriented towards beginners. This means that they have a very clean and simple user interface, and make sure that any confusing technical elements are well explained. So, finding the right hosting package for your needs, and setting up hosting is a very easy and intuitive experience. Plus, if you do run into any issues related to setting up your hosting, there's an extensive collection of tutorials and walkthroughs to help move you through any sticking points quickly and efficiently. 5. Long track record. A hosting company won't last as long as Bluehost without doing something right. Bluehost has a very long track record of customer satisfaction and success. Spend some time browsing through various reviews online and you'll find that most of the responses are very positive overall. Plus, the official endorsement from WordPress says a lot too. WordPress currently powers over 30% of the internet, so they're not going to go around just endorsing anyone. Also, when you choose a host that's been around for a while, you'll know that they have all of the kinks worked out, and their service will be streamlined. It would be near impossible to find a host that's been around for 15+ years that isn't reliable. 6. Flexible and scalable. Since Bluehost is such a large hosting provider, they offer a variety of plans that allow you to scale up your site while still remaining with the same hosting provider. Whether you're looking to upgrade to a higher-tiered hosting plan, or to another plan altogether, like the move from shared hosting VPS hosting, all of this can be done painlessly. Their hosting team will ensure this is a painless process and ensure that your site doesn't experience any downtime during the move. Plus, managing your site and server couldn't be easier. With their custom interface, you can monitor and manage server resources to help you determine when it's time to upgrade. 7. Solid customer support and documentation. Customer support probably isn't something you'll need to use on a regular basis, but when an issue does arise you'll want a rock-solid support team behind you. Bluehost places a focus on customer support by offering a multitude of different support options. You'll find live chat, phone support dedicated to different hosting types, along with social media support. The easiest way to get in touch with customer support is via the phone. You'll still be put on hold, but they do their best to ensure you speak with a qualified professional that's well-versed on the issue you're currently facing. However, Bluehost does a great job of trying to resolve support issues before you even need to speak with a professional. Their extensive support library is filled with hundreds of questions and detailed walkthroughs to help fix common issues you'll run into. 8. App and integration library. Bluehost has a massive application library that allows you to enable different services and software. Not only can you enable e-commerce functionality and Cloudflare, but you can also plug your hosting account into Google Apps, giving you an even large plugin library to draw from. If you're looking to add more functionality to your site and hosting account, then you'll have multiple options with the app library. 9. 30-day money-back guarantee. Bluehost offers a pretty generous money-back guarantee. It's not as long as other hosting guarantees, like 45 days, or 60 days. But, it's a no-questions-asked guarantee. As long as you cancel within the 30-day refund, you'll get a full refund. If you cancel after the 30-day guarantee period, then you'll get a prorated refund for the remainder of your term. Click the below link to get offers of Bluehost.